It's important to know that you matter at work, to be heard, to feel safe, to be valued, to be recognized for being more than just a hired hand, but as a human being with dreams and aspirations, a family, and the desire to grow. We believe that great people are the secret to great success. Every day, our team members embrace an entrepreneurial spirit and a culture of personal growth and development.
There's so many opportunities to impact the organization. If you see an opportunity for improvement, raise your hand. I've noticed just here at the office, our CEO is right there in the corner. You know, if you have a great idea, you can actually walk up and talk to them about it. And they're always open to listening. You know, if there's something that you see at the factory that can be improved, whether it's safety, whether it's a process, speak up. We encourage our employees to continue to grow our business and to really put themselves out there.
It's a can-do attitude and a contagious enthusiasm that defines our organization. Employees that embody this spirit are rewarded with great wages, unique opportunities, and career advancement.
Years ago, the federal building in Juneau, Alaska had some equipment that ATS owns in their facility, and it was almost winter time and their heating system was not functioning properly. So you can imagine they were not thrilled. They came to ATS and they said, would I volunteer to fly to Juneau to work on this equipment? And I was like, chance to go to Alaska? Sign me up, I'm there. So I spent a week working at the federal building and getting them back up and running and keeping the employees there happy. And in the meantime, I had a great opportunity to see a part of the country that otherwise I may have never had a chance to see.
Personality, drive. It's not so much their talent, but I mean, if somebody's willing to work hard, you know, and learn. I've seen guys come in at Tech 2 and make it to maintenance specialists. No, there's a lot of opportunities to grow within the company. It's rewarding, man. I mean, the pay can be great, benefits are good, stability.
I am proud of myself as far as starting as a temp, and now I'm a site manager with a master's degree and ready to excel even more. A lot of employees see that and they want the same things, like, man, well, she has grown with the company over this period of time. I can do that too. You know, how can I get my bachelor's degree within ATS? You know, how can I get into a site management role? I want to encourage people and help people grow, and that's that family aspect that ATS provides.
Safety is our #1 commitment. It serves as the foundation that we build from. There's nothing more important than our employees returning home to their families at the end of the day.
Safety is paramount within ATS. In my position, we work with lethal voltages all day long, and we've never had somebody electrocuted or harmed in the time that I've been here. Always have it in the back of your mind that you have to be safe.
We want our employees to leave the same way that they came in. We look after each other here. We want to make sure, again, that we're working safely and that we've really got each other's back.
Our employees put their skills and talents into making our customers' businesses run better. And in doing so, they inspire the next generation of ATS employees. In addition to our cultural commitment, Advanced Technology Services truly values the technical skill set, leadership, and exceptional service our military veteran employees provide. Our commitment to servicemen and women have earned us the Military Friendly Employer Award 4 years in a row.
We have about 20% of our workforce that's either current or former military. So ATS is very in tune with the military market and understanding that a lot of those skills really transfer over to what we need here. Hard work ethic, pride in their work, really that can-do attitude. You know, we want folks that come in and have a sense of urgency, but also want to learn and grow with the organization. And I think the folks that we get from the military are a great fit for what we're looking to do.
Our team members have a strong work ethic and an innovative spirit. Their efforts have earned ATS widespread recognition and awards.
What makes a good ATS employee is being a go-getter, putting your best foot forward every day, every time that you walk into work, to drive results for the company because you like working here, and that's what I think is really great. I'm proud to come to work every day, and I'm proud to put my best work forward to help ATS continue to grow and continue to hire more great people.
An environment that supports people, encourages personal growth and safety, and values every individual is one in which we all thrive. These objectives are built into the culture of advanced technology services, where people come first and business runs better.
So it's really up to you. Where do you want to go? Don't think for a minute because you're doing something today that you're stuck there for the rest of your life. Where do you want to go? And you work with your management and your HR team and find out what's the best path for you to get to wherever it is you want to go.
I had someone to mentor me and encourage me to let me know that, hey, Sheila, you can move up within ATS. We have multiple roles. And they asked, where do you see yourself in the next 10 years? And I said it as a site manager. And after 10 years, I'm a site manager.
We're looking for those type of people, you know, who really want to come in, be a part of a team, and just pour themselves into it, and they're gonna be rewarded. They're gonna get a ton back out of it. I'm proof of it.